Hi, this is you. You are a business owner, but you are unhappy because you don't have enough sales and customers. You need more sales. You don't know that adding a video can increase your sales by a whopping 840%. But making videos are very tough and expensive. But then you found this gig. The ultimate solution to create awesome videos at an incredibly affordable rate. Videos that attract customers like a magnet. Videos that generate sales on autopilot. Our explainer videos are money magnets. Wow! Ultra HD videos with full commercial rights. 1,600 plus awesome reviews. Free voiceover and music tracks. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Professional and friendly service. Order today and let us show you the path to success. Exclusively on Fiverr. You've landed on the Passive Income Toolbox, where you'll learn how to generate passive income that could change your life. What is passive income? Passive income is income generated without much effort on a regular basis, even while you sleep, spend time with family, hang out with friends, or enjoy a day at the beach. It might be something like a self-published book on Amazon that earns you money each month, an online course on Udemy, an affiliate website, perhaps selling products on Amazon, creating digital products, your own YouTube channel, or an influencer on social media, and more. Are you ready to get started and learn how to earn life-changing income? Scroll down below to see what you'll get access to. Then click the button and fill out the form to gain access to the membership area. We know you are going to love what we have waiting for you inside and what's coming each month. We'll see you in the membership area soon to start your passive income journey. Often, financial professionals have sales incentives and pressures tied to the brokerage firm they work for. These incentives and pressures range from pushing in-house investments or insurance products, qualifying for expensive travel awards trips, hitting production numbers, and much more. Few, if any of which, are tied to you reaching your financial goals. Alchemy Wealth Management has decided to remain fully independent from any brokerage firm. By remaining independent, we can offer you advice coming from an advisor that is on your team, not from a sales professional trying to hit a corporate incentive or revenue goal. By focusing on creating long-term relationships built on trust, we are able to ensure you are receiving truly objective advice to help you achieve your financial goals with confidence.